So the arithmetic sequence is a list of numbers determined obtained by adding or subtracting a constant number to what? To the previous term. So we obtain the term by adding or subtracting a constant number. So this is the arithmetic what? Arithmetic sequence. So if he give you a list of number 8, 10, 12, and so on, and asked you to discover if this number is an arithmetic sequence or not. All you need to do is discover how it's work, how it's increased or how it's decreased. So each time you will notice that each time I add what? I add 2 to obtain the next what? The next term like this. Suppose we have 14 here, so on like this. So if you add or subtract a constant number to get the next term, so that means you deal with what? We are dealing with arithmetic sequence. Arithmetic what? Sequence. This number, the added number or subtracted number, its name is a common difference. Common what? Common difference. Common what? Common difference. It's very important. And we denoted the common difference by the letter D. So D always refer to what? Refer to the common what? The common difference. And from yesterday, you know that the terms of of any sequence, we name it like this: A1, the first term; A2, the second term; A3, the third term, and so on like this. Okay. In the first question, he asked to determine the common difference. Common what? The common difference. And after that, find the next four what? Find the next four terms for the arithmetic what? Arithmetic sequence. So we need to what? Discover. So how to find the common difference? So the common difference D is always equals an minus 1. What is the meaning of this? It means subtract a term from its what? Previous. From what's any term from the previous. Okay, that means 12 subtracted by what? By 17. Subtract from or 17 subtract from 12, or 12 subtract from what? From 7. But it is not the greater from the smaller. It is not the greater from what? The smaller. No. So in this case, the common difference will be equals 12 minus what? Minus 17. So 12 minus 17 will be negative what? Negative 5. Okay. So this is the common difference. Or you can subtract 7 minus what? 7 minus 12. So you can write, or 7 minus what? 7 minus 12. Any one of them. So on both of them give you what? Give you the same answer. After that, we wanted to write what? The next four terms. That means to obtain the terms of this sequence, all you need to do is what? Is subtract what? Subtract 5, or add what? Add negative 5. So if we add negative 5 to this number, so I'll get what? I'll get 2. If I add negative 5 to 2, it will be negative 3. If you add negative 5 to negative 3, it will be negative 8. And we'll keep going to the fourth what? The fourth term. If we add negative 5 to negative 8, so the answer will be negative what? Negative 13. So this is what? This is the common difference, and this is the next four what? The next four terms. Okay. Now we will talk about what? We will talk about the nth term or general term. Nth term or general what? General term. And what is the use of this general term? The general term an equals a1 plus n minus 1 multiplied by d. A1 is the first what? The first term. N, the order, refer to the order of the term. Refer to the order of what? The term. And D, refer to what? refer to the common difference. Refer to the common what? The common difference. And we will name this as explicit formula. Explicit what? Explicit formula. Okay? Or nth what? Or nth term. So both of them are what? Are the same. So we will use the general term to find what? To find any term of the sequence. Just tell me its order, and I'll give you. I'll tell you what is the value of this term. Okay. And also we have what? We have a recursive formula. Yesterday I showed you the recursive formula, but also we can represent what? The arithmetic sequence using what? Using recursive formula. And I'll show you how to represent the arithmetic sequence by explicit and recursive formulas. By what? Solving this example. So find both explicit formula and recursive formula for nth term of the arithmetic sequence. Okay. So the very important point for any arithmetic sequence is 2 points or 2 numbers. The first one is A1, the first term. So A1 is what? Is 12. The next thing is what? The common difference, which is what? Which is D. So what is the value of D? So 21 minus what? Minus 12, or you can 30 subtract 30 minus what? Minus 21, they are the same. So the answer will be what? Will be 9. So we will form what? The explicit formula or the nth term. So the nth term, An, equals A1 plus n minus 1 multiplied by what? Multiplied by D. Then we will substitute by A1 and D. What will be 12 plus n minus 1 multiplied by D, which is what? 9. Expand the bracket, collect like there. It will be 12 plus 9n minus 9. Combine like terms. So it will be 9n. 12 minus 9, it will be negative what? Negative. I'm sorry, plus what? Plus 3. So this is what the explicit formula or the nth what? The nth term. So this is the sequence. This is the arithmetic what? The arithmetic sequence. By using this formula, you can find any term for what? For the sequence. For example, what if I wanted to know what is the A30? A30, the terms whose order is what? 30. Should I keep going adding 9 to reach A30? No. But we use what? The nth term to tell me what? To tell me the A30. So if you wanted to find A30, so the nth term tells you what? We can use it to find what? To find any term in the sequence. So if you wanted to find A30, just replace n by what? By 30. So it will be 9 multiplied by 30 plus what? Plus 3. So it will be 270 plus 3. So it will be 270 what? 3. Instead of what? Adding to reach what? Like this. So this is the use of what? The nth term. And we name it explicit formula. Now, what about the recursive formula? Recursive formula has what? Has a method. First, what you should state the first term. You should state the first what? The first term. Second, connect between what? Next 2 terms. So this part is constant, guys. So it will be A1, number 1, we write like this, A1 equals. Then you will state it. Then the recursive formula written like this, An equals An minus 1 plus what? Plus D. And n greater than or equals what? Greater than or equals to. So this is what? This is the recursive formula. Okay, now let's write it. It's very easy. So first step, by writing A1. So A1 equals 12. Then we will what? We'll substitute in this formula. So it will be AN equals AN minus 1 plus what? Plus D. D in this case is what? Is 9. So plus 9. And N greater than or equals what? 2. So this is the recursive what? The recursive formula. Okay. So any question? Okay. Find 6.
I don't fully understand the difference.
What part?
I don't fully understand the difference between the recursive and the explicit form. Like, what's the difference between them?
The explicit formula and or the recursive formula? No, again, I can't hear.
Like, I understand the first one, but I don't get how we got to the second one.
It's a constant. It's a constant. We always
I
write
understand the first one, but not the second.
the second one. It is a constant. So the recursive formula, it's written like this. Number one, state A1. So here it is. Okay. Then we write what? We write this one is constant for what? For all recursive formula. AN equals AN minus 1. Plus what? Plus D. This is will be changed from a question to what? To a question, depending on what? The common difference in each what? In each question. Okay, for example, let me give you an example. What if I have like this? 5, 10, 15, 20, and so on. And I asked you to write what? To write the recursive formula for this what? For this sequence. Okay, so number one, state the first term. So A1 equals 5. So what is the common difference here? The common difference is 5. So AN equals AN minus 1 plus what? Plus 5. And N greater than or equals what? It's like this. Okay, Noor؟ يعني الجزئية دي ثابتة ما بتغيرش، يعني الجزئية دي يعني AN equals AN minus 1 plus what? Plus the common difference for what? For this. So it's one line like this. هتفهم يا نور ولا لا؟ Okay, so we'll move to the next one. Find the 68th term of the arithmetic sequence, 25, 17.
Okay,
يا نور في حاجة؟ Okay. Before we start solving this one, I wanted to show you a shortcut to what to represent any term of a function. So A2, A3, A4, A19, A50, A68, like this. So to write directly the term, it will be A1, any term written like this, A1 plus D. A3, it will be written like this, A1 plus 2D. A4, it will be A1 plus 3D. And I want you to notice what is the relation. So A1 is constant for all. But what is the relation between the number multiplied by D and the order of the number? So A2, the order of the number is 2. So we'll multiply D by 1. The order is 3, so we'll multiply D by 2. The order is 4, so multiply d by what? 3. So we always multiply d by what? The order of the number minus what? Minus 1. Subtract 1 from the order what? Of the number. For example, A19. So what is A19? A19 is A1 plus, so subtract 1 from 19, 18D. A50. A50 means A1 plus, subtract 1 from 50, so it will be 49D. A68, that means A1 plus 67D, like this. So in this one, we wanted to find the 68th term. That means we wanted to find A68. We wanted to find this one. So what is A68? A68 means, to find it, that means A1 plus, subtract 1 from this, will be 67D. To find the 68, we need to find what is the value of the first term and what is the common difference. The first term is what? 25. The common difference, so 17 minus 25, or 9 minus what? Minus 17. Both of them is what? Negative 8. Okay. Just substitute by A1 and D. So A68 will be equals A1, which is 25, plus 67 multiplied by what? Negative 8. Anyone have the calculator?
Negative 519.
Negative 519, like this. So that's it. This is A60 what? 68. So we'll find it directly by writing what? The shortcut, the terms in its shortcut, like this. Okay, guys, any question about this part? Okay. Find the first term of arithmetic sequence for which A25 equals 139 and D equals 3 over 4. So you know how to write A25. So what is A25? A25 equals, who can tell me what is A25? Yeah. حد فيكم يقول لي ال A25 بكتبها ازاي؟ لازم يجاوب, just unmute your mic and answer me. A25. Let me take you back. How to write what? How to write a number like this. Okay, so what is A25?
A1
أيوة, A1
plus 24 multiplied by D.
24 multiplied by B, that's it. Let's substitute. So A25 is what? 139. So we will replace this by 139. A1, it's required. So A1 plus 24 multiplied by D. D is given 3 over 4. So multiplied by 3 over 4. We got equation. Solve it. You will find A. Cancel 4 with 1, 24, so 6. 6 by 3, 18, so it will be 139 equals A1 plus 18 into the other side. So A1, 139 minus what? Minus 18. So the first term, A1 equals 121. So this is the first one, this is the first term. So any question? ايه سؤال يا جماعة؟ So this one for you, I want you to solve this one. Find the 38th term of the arithmetic sequence. 1 minute, and text me what? Text me the answer. Okay. So we wanted to find what? We wanted to find 38th term. That means we wanted to find A38, which is A1 plus, subtract 1 from this, 37D. Just substitute. So the first term in this sequence is what? Negative 29. So negative 29 plus 37 multiplied by the common difference. So subtract negative 2 minus 29. So it will be what? Plus 29. So the answer will be what? 27. So multiplied by what? Multiplied by 27. So this is what? A39. So the answer will be 900 and what? And 70, like this. Find D of the arithmetic sequence with A1 equals 75 and A38 is 56.5. We wanted to find D. So any one of you solve this with me? Hands up. يلا يا مريم.
It will be 56.5 equals 75.
نكتب الرول أول حاجة بتاع دي وبعد كده نعمل substitute.
Okay.
So A38
A38
means what?
equal A1
A1 plus
D.
No, 30. So subtract 1 first. 30.
7 multiply by D.
Yeah, like this. Then we will substitute. So A37, 38 is given, which is what?
56.5
equals A1, which is
75
plus
37 multiplied by D.
Now we have equation solver. So you have a calculator?
Yes. The answer will be negative 0.5.
The final answer then?
Negative 0.5.
The final answer? So look at my step by step like this. So 57.5 minus 75.
Minus 75 equal negative 18.5.
This one is what? Negative 18.5.
Yes.
Then
divided by 37.
Yeah, 37.
0.5.
So D equals?
Negative 0.5.
Negative 0.5.
0.5.
Yeah, or half. Okay, thank you. Next one. Given a term in arithmetic sequence and the common difference, find the first 5 terms and the explicit formula. So we have we have A38, we have D, and we wanted to write the first 5 term of terms of the sequence, and the general formula or explicit formula. Okay. So to form any sequence, we need to we need to know what is the first term, A1, and what is D. So D is given, but A1 is not is not given. So I'll solve this one by finding what? By finding A1. From where? From this point. So A38 equals A1 plus 37B. Substitute. So A38 will be negative 53.2 equals A1 is not given plus 37 multiplied by negative 1 point what? 0.1. So this part will be what? A1. And here we have negative. So multiply this, guys. So 1.1 multiplied by 37. What is the answer? I think 40.7 like this. 40 point what? 40.7. Take it to the other side. So A1 will be equals 40.7 minus 53 point what? 0.2. So A1 will be equals minus what? 53.2. So A1 will be negative 12 point what? 0.5. So that's it. So A1 equals negative 12.5. And D is negative what? Negative 1.1. So if I wanted to check it, so this part is what? 5. Yeah. So we'll add what? We'll add negative 1.1, negative 1.1. So the next term will be negative 13 point what? 0.6. Negative 1.1 will be negative 14 point what? 0.7. Negative 1.1. So it will be negative 15 point what? 0.8 like this. So this is what? This is the first four what? Find the first 4, 5. So we'll add one more. So it will be negative 16 point what? 0.9. So this is the first 5 what? The first 5 terms of what? Of the sequence. And we wanted to write the explicit formula. The explicit formula is AN equals A1 plus N minus 1 multiplied by what? Multiplied by D. So A1 is negative 12.5 plus N minus 1 multiplied by D, which is negative 1 point what? 0.1. So I will expand the bracket, so it will be negative 12.5 negative 1.1 N positive 1 point what? 1.1. So the answer will be negative 11.4 minus 1.1 N. So this is what? This is the next what? The explicit formula. This one like the first, so no difference between them. We will find A and solve by this the same way. In this one, we will cover a new point here. Given the two terms in arithmetic sequence, find the recursive formula. So to find the recursive formula, we need to know what is the first term and what is the common difference. So they are the very important number in any arithmetic sequence. To solve any question concerning the arithmetic sequence, you must know what is D and what is A1. Okay, so I gave you A18 and A38. So I'll give you a way to find the common difference if no successive terms are given. So if the terms are successive, so we subtract them to find what? To find the common difference. But what if they are not successive term, like this one? We have A18 and A38. How to find D from this one? So the rules will be like this. If you have AM and AM, two terms like this. So D will be equals an minus an over m minus what? Minus n, like this. So please copy this rule. So we'll apply it here. So D will be equals A38 minus A18 over A38 minus 18, like this. A38 minus what? Minus 18. So let's substitute. So it will be 7, 3, 6, 2 minus 3, 3, 6, 2 over 38 minus 18, which is what? Which is 20. So one of you give me the answer.
It will be 200.
So it will be 200. So the common difference will be what? 200. So the first point is solved. Now we wanted to find what? We wanted to find A1. What is the first term of the sequence? So you can use any one of this. You can use A30, A18 or A38 to find what? A1. So let's take A18. A18 equals A1 plus 17D. A18, which is what? 3362 equals A1 plus 17 multiplied by D, which is what? Which is 200. So it will be 3362 equals A1 plus 3422. So A1 will be equal 3362 minus 3400. So the first term, A1, will be equals so 3362 minus 3400. So the answer would be negative what? Negative 38. So this is what? This is A1, the first what? The first term. Okay. So in this question, he asks you to write what the recursive formula. So recursive formula is very easy. Recursive formula, it's written like this, stating A1. So A1 equals negative 38. And AN equals AN minus 1 plus D. So what is the value of D? It is 200. So plus what? 200. And N greater than or equals what? 2. So this is what? This is